In the spirit of Christmas, we're gonna risk it all. Hey guys! Magandang umaga o magandang gabi, depending on what time you're watching this video. My name is Monica and welcome to my channel. Okay, so I'm going to a Christmas party. I'm actually running late and I just thought I would film the look for you. This is obviously how it turned out. I'm super happy with how it did turn out, and I guess I've gotta go, so you can just watch this video now. Okay, so I have already showered. I have moisturized already with my moisturizer, and I don't prime my skin, I just go kind of straight into it really. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Hydrating Concealer, and I just start with that. My mirror is over here, so I'll be looking over this direction quite a lot. I know it looks crazy bright. For starters, it's because it doesn't really match me. Well, it's starting to match me more because my tan is like almost gone now, but it does look like crazy bright. But it's fine. When we bronze up, which is what we're going to do now, it'll all look a bit better. So I use Fenty brand again, the shade Island Ting, and just bronze up really. I really hope I have enough time today. I've left it like really late. The party starts at 5. That's actually crazy. I've never had to get ready for a party so early before. It's like 2:30 now. I also hope that I have enough battery in this camera. My previous video wasn't that long, so I thought I still had full battery and I didn't charge it. And then I checked again, and it's only 2 bars, so I should have enough, and especially because I don't really have that long. I have like what, about an hour to get ready, because I want to like do my hair as well. Should be fine. Should be fine. Yeah, I probably won't be too chatty during this video because I just want to get ready. I feel like I can never put too much bronzer on, she says, as she puts too much bronzer on. Next stage, I'm gonna do this all like super quick today, so hopefully I'll be zooming through it. I use the Too Faced blush. It's like super old. It's the color Love Hangover. I use the same stuff basically in all my videos, so if you've seen my makeup videos before, it'll be the same things. I know it looks crazy, but it does come together, and this lighting is making everything look a lot more intense, because in my mirror here it looks like nothing. It looks like I've barely got anything on, okay? So just bear with me. Okay, so I'm gonna do my nose contour. Brows. The next step is the eyeshadow. So I don't really know what I'm trying to do with this. I'm thinking like a more natural, soft type of look, more baby pink, because my dress is kind of similar to this color, just a little bit lighter. So I guess I'm gonna try and match it to that. Oh my god, I didn't even do my highlight. Ugh. So silly. I would put powder, but it is winter and my skin is already kind of dry, so I'm not really gonna do any powder on top of it. This is literally my base. Like that's all I'm gonna be doing with that. Now I'm just gonna use highlight. This is the Rimmel one. I'm gonna be using this shade right here. The rest are contours and a blush, which I never use. Oh, I'm out of focus. Okay. Anyway, I tap it off, then I just dab it on the highlighted points. I'm going to use this one, the Urban Decay Ultimate Basics. That is the palette. I'm going to do the first one. It's a transition shade. See, I could go for like a purpley pink look, but I haven't used color in a really long time, and it kind of terrifies me to try it out again and I literally have to, wow. I'm supposed to be ready in like 15 minutes, or at least start my hair in 15 minutes. This is not going well. But we're okay. Maybe I could put a little bit of a pink in there. Let's see. I'm going to use the color Instinct. It is this color right here. We're going to see what happens if I, oops, I dipped into the wrong one. Too much. Ah, I should zoom you guys in. Duh. It's kind of mixed in with the brown underneath. It's not looking amazing. Oh, I do not know how this is gonna go. I have a bad feeling. I have a bad feeling about this. Last Christmas I took a chance and it looked quite nice. We'll see if I'm lucky again this year. I have a full spectrum palette from Urban Decay. They're all so glittery. Why are they so glittery? I don't know. Use a blush. How can I use a blush as a color? That could be a thing. Let's see. I mean, it might be too pink. You know what? We're gonna slap it on and see what happens. Is that just me, or is that kind of shimmery? It's got kind of gold flecks in it. That could be interesting. You know what? That actually looks kind of nice. I don't know if you can see. It's like a little bit of a gold shimmer. We could work with this. Put it on more the inner bit because it's lighter. It could kind of be like an inner eye highlight as well. I've never used this color before. That could be cute. Alright, let's deepen out the corners and see if we can do something about this. Should we take a chance and deepen it out with some dark purple? So it is this shade right here. I'm gonna try it out. Oh, it kind of looks like I've been bruised. Oh dear. This is not going well. Okay, just blend it out. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Actually, you know, it looks kind of nice. Okay. Let's roll with it. Let us roll with it and see what happens. Sorry, this is the pink that I've been using, by the way. The one on the inside that gave me the little bit of a golden inner bit. I've got the Spectrum palette right here, right? We've got loads of colors in here, but they're all quite shimmery. Don't really want a shimmer yet. I do have another palette, but my eye really doesn't react well with it. Should we just do it anyway? My skin is too sensitive. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna screw it. Okay, this is a really ugly palette, okay? It's ugly because I've had it for so long and it's pretty cheap, so it is messy. That's the color I'm gonna go for. We're gonna see how that goes. Got a bit of gold going on here from the blush. That was not really supposed to be gold, but hey ho, that's how it ended up. But that's okay because my highlight is gold anyway, so it kind of blends in. Okay, let's see if we can replicate it on the other side. What did I do first? I don't remember what I did. Much later. Okay, I think that is that. I'm gonna do a center color now. I have this really nice palette. Again, Urban Decay. I feel like they should sponsor me or something. I use their stuff, like I only use their stuff. It is the After Dark palette. I think I'm gonna use this color right here. It's quite similar to the blush that I was using. It's so weird because in the palette it looks pink, but when I put it on, it really does look quite gold. I'm gonna have to do something else with this because that's not the color that I'm supposed to go for, but we gotta make it even. So let's use another color now, more of a pinky one to go on top of that. We're gonna use our rubbish palette again. I keep calling it that. It's a pretty good palette, but my skin doesn't like it. So we're gonna use this palette again. This time we're gonna use this color right here. It has no name on it. I think it had one of those plastic covers, but you know, it's been quite a while since I bought this, so. Alright, little dusting on top is gonna be so much fallout. The powders are quite chunky, so it looks like dried skin, but it's actually the glitter chunks, which is not really ideal. Wow, that actually looks really nice. I'm actually quite happy with this. I'm gonna quickly go and put some lashes on now, and then probably do my hair at the same time, and then I'll come back down to you guys when that is all done. So I'll see you guys in a second.
Approximately 10 hours later.
So I am back. What I need to do now, I've obviously curled my hair, I put my lashes on, as you can see them. I love these lashes. I literally got them in Boots, I think. So honestly, you don't need to spend that much. I personally, my motto is you don't really need to spend that much unless you need to spend that much. Does that make sense? Anyway, I have also changed. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing later. I'm just going to super quickly just put a little bit of highlight onto my brow bone, just to accentuate all of that stuff. I'm gonna do a little bit on the inner. I'm gonna put it a little bit on my lip. And then I'll probably top up my bronzer at some point, but the most important thing right now is to make the eye a little bit more cohesive. I don't like to add the bottom lash eyeshadow until after I've done my lashes, in case my eyes water when I do it. So I just leave that till the end. So I'm just gonna quickly put that on now. Do you wanna, I'll zoom you guys in. So I just quickly dip into the two purpley shades that I used before. Doesn't have to be super neat. Ooh, that looks quite a lot. So I'm just gonna wipe away some of that because I just feel like I dragged it down too much. That was way much more of a sultry look than I was going for. So now I'm going to add some bottom lash mascara. Okay, I think that is done. So I think that's most of the look done. I'm just going to quickly line my lips. If you guys are wondering which mascara that is, you guessed it, it is in fact Urban Decay, because the only products I seem to use are Urban Decay and Fenty. So this is actually a Revolution pencil actually. It's the only pencil I've got, so just quickly do that. Let me zoom in again. So. And I usually go for a gloss, but there's like eating and drinking tonight, so I think I'd rather just stick to a lipstick. This is again Revolution. I've had this lipstick for I don't know how long. I do have my Fenty Gloss Bomb with me, and I'll be bringing that with me just in case I do want to top up on some lip gloss later on. But for now, I think that is really it. I am going to be topping up some more of the bronzer, but I will do that later. I'll show you guys quickly what I'm wearing now. Okay, so I think that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching if you stayed until this point, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys!